These prophetic words come from a variety of sources. Please take every word before the Lord for confirmation. G'day, I'm Rachel Milligan and this is FirstFruitTas. I woke up this morning and was instantly hit in the spirit with a sense of spring, that sense of hopefulness and that sense of warmth, when the sun heats you to the core. And my mind went straight to, okay, well, what's the date? It's just past the middle of July. I did some maths. We're only just past the middle of winter in Tasmania. And yes, the sun was shining. We did have a beautiful day, but this was definitely something I was sensing in the spirit. So I sought the Lord for more. And I have a word for you. This is a word for those who have been obedient. Those who have allowed the Lord to lead them, prune them and shape them in readiness for what He has in store. Those who have been willing to lay everything at God's feet, and I mean everything. Our winter season is nearly over. Here comes the season of growth, harvest and rejoicing. It's just around the corner. And for those this word is intended for, it will be a time of revival and restoration. The dreams they have all but given up on, those dreams of the distant past, are about to manifest. There will be beauty after ashes. The tribulation was my way of bringing you into a place of peace in my light love. Now you have that, we can go forward together, hand in hand as we knock down the giants, one by one like bowling pins. My shock waves will resonate, bringing to the people's attention my glory. They will notice my favour as it manifests fully over the lives of those precious children who entrusted their very lives, livelihoods, families, health, finances and well-being to me. There will be no mistaking the presence of my hand in your life, child. As you step up in obedience, willingness your banner to realise the magnificence of the plans I had always had for you. For it is faith alone that unlocks abundance and restoration. A restorative wind is blowing through the body in this time. Those who have bent with my winds will realise this next stage for themselves. This is a new thing, it is a new song. It will be joy, laughter, happiness. So much I have to give to you. Lift up your hands, open your arms for the blessings to pour forth. No ear has heard, no eye has seen. You have not dared imagine the very prize I have in store for you. Well, it is here now in the spiritual, and the delivery is in the post, it's on its way. My children will dance for joy, for this happiness is heaven sent. Go about your day now with a song in your spirit and a dance in your step. For you know you are deeply loved. As a child of obedience, my manifestation in your life will be undoubted. It will be on show for all to see. I pray that this video blesses you. Have a beautiful day. God bless. Holy Father, I thank you for placing this video before those you intend to receive it. If this video blessed you, be sure to share, like and subscribe. Financial support is welcome and donations can be made by selecting the link in the details box below this video.